When your customers are looking for durable brush Weatherseal products that are easy to install, easy to use, and easy to purchase, there's no question they need SEALEZE. Our problem-solving brush products are specifically designed with our core values of performance, durability, and simplicity in mind to make life easier for you and your customers. One specific area our brush Weatherseal products can help is in loading dock doors and dock levelers. These areas are prone to air infiltration and energy loss as gaps around the dock doors and levelers could act as wind tunnels, and they are an open invitation to pests. SEALEZE brush Weatherseal products provide an effective way to seal those trouble areas, preventing energy loss and keeping pests out. If you're seeing signs that a loading dock door or dock leveler is not sealed properly, SEALEZE offers a wide range of brush Weatherseal and pest control products. Follow these simple steps to properly install SEALEZE brush Weatherseal on loading dock doors and dock levelers. For the dock door, it will be like installing brush shown on our overhead door video. First, you'll want to measure the door at the bottom, the jamb, and across the header. Make sure to measure both the gap and the length. Next, remove all brush on the door dock and dock leveler to get ready for the new brush installation. Now we are ready for installation. Your brush will come cut to size ready for installation. If you need to alter the length of your brush for any reason, follow the following process for cutting the brush. To cut your SEALEZE brush to the proper length, it's best to use diagonal cutting pliers, shears, or bolt cutters for this. The cutting action must pinch the ends closed to seal in the filaments. If you need to cut the holders to length, you'll want to use a hacksaw, power saw with a metal cutting blade, or an angle iron shear. If you purchase unassembled brush and holders, use a screwdriver to pry open the ends of the holder to easily insert the brush. Next, use a hammer to pin the ends closed and lock the brush in place. Now your brush is ready to install. SEALEZE recommends starting with the header seal. Mount the seal by holding the aluminum flange to the dock door opening. Make sure the brush is flexed slightly against the door to ensure a proper and complete seal. Then secure with the self-tapping screws provided. Slotted holes allow for easy final adjustment so you get the perfect fit. Next, install the jamb seal. When sealing the door jamb, an angled holder works best and can be mounted on the inside of the dock door opening. Seal the bottom to complete the overhead door. SEALEZE offers both brush and rubber for this application. Brush should be used with an angled holder, which will help the brush flex to the pavement, ensuring an all-around tight seal. Mount the bottom seal so that the brush touches the floor or top of the threshold. The rubber seal will come with a straight 180-degree flange. Rubber remains pliable in the coldest weather and won't tear or deform. If the length is over 96 inches and you want to save on shipping, we recommend ordering staggered lengths. This will allow you to splice 2 or more pieces of brush together by staggering the brush and holder joints. Next, install the dock leveler seals. For any brush or hinge seal installation on the dock leveler, we recommend having a professional on site to have the dock leveler lifted safely. For the side of the dock leveler, our 90-degree flanges form the perfect fit. Our A series is ideal for sealing small cracks, and the G series product will cover larger gaps. We also offer weldable dock leveler seals that can be welded to the sides of the leveler. For the rear hinge of dock levelers, we offer foam seals and rope seals. In this video, we are going to show you how to install rope seals. First, remove any existing rope seal. Next, take the rope seal and push it into the cracks. Clear the dock leveler and lower it back into place. Once installed, SEALEZE brush can last decades with no need for costly maintenance or repairs. In fact, independent tests have shown that our American-engineered brush Weatherseal can withstand up to 2 million cycles of operation without degrading. This focus on durability means less maintenance for you and your customers and a peace of mind when it comes to the functionality of your loading dock door and dock leveler. Not only is our brush easy to use, easy to install, and easy to purchase, it's guaranteed to solve problems. That's the SEALEZE way.